enjoy free motion quilting or want to improve your skill set, or you happen to be a thread painter, the Baby Lock Zest is the ideal machine for you. As you've noticed, I've attached what we call the free motion foot. Now, we're going to use the darning plate cover to cover our feed dogs for free motion work. Again, we have that word that says front, which tells me that's going to be towards me, and on the back side when I flip it over, I have 3 little pins. Those pins will fit in the holes on the presser foot, and I'm just going to go ahead and snap that in place. Now, as far as stitch selection, I always want to make sure I'm on that A setting, which is a center needle straight stitch. And then as far as stitch length, it's really not going to make much difference because you are going to be the one that's controlling how far or how long you make those stitches. But what I do want to do is make sure that I pull my bobbin thread up. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate that hand wheel so the needle comes down, and then I can pull that bobbin thread up and move my fabric out of the way to grab that bobbin thread, and now I have the bobbin thread. Now I always kind of hold on to those needle threads for a little bit, and I do a couple of tacking stitches in place so that I can lock that. And now I'm going to cut these thread tails so that I can move them out of the way. Now when you are either thread painting or free motion, I really suggest that you get a pair of gloves or something to help you move the fabric. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the fabric around, and I'm just creating little loops. And I'm coming kind of towards me, and I'm moving away, and I'm coming back towards me, and now I'm going to go left, coming towards me, I'm going to go right, I'm going to go backwards, and I'm just moving my fabric. Again, because the feed dogs are not engaged, you are the individual that is moving the fabric. So you, in a sense, become the feed dogs. I always try to work at a very medium pace. I find that my stitches are a little bit more consistent. So you can see how fun and easy this is, actually how fun this is on the Baby Lock Zest. And by using this machine for all your free motion needs, I think you really can expand your free motion skill set. So let's just keep stitching around and see what we've got going on. And I'm going to come to the end, and we'll pull this out and we'll take a look at, wow, look at those beautiful stitches and all that on the Baby Lock Zest.